Meaning of erratum.
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 Erratum. Erratum refers to a mistake or error in a published work, typically a book, journal article, or other written material. It is the correction of errors made in the original publication, often through the publication of an updated version of the work that includes the corrections. The purpose of an erratum is to provide accurate information to readers and to ensure that future references to the work reflect the correct information. Errata are commonly found in academic and scientific publications, where accuracy and precision are essential.